My Community Long Ago by Bobby Kalman. What is a community? A community is a place where people live and work together. My community long ago looked different than it does today. Come visit my community long ago. My community long ago was a village. A village is a small community. This village had buildings, roads, and farms. The people who lived there helped one another in many ways. Family homes. Today, people live in different homes. I live in an apartment. My apartment has 9 rooms. My friends and I are reading in my bedroom. In my community long ago, some homes had only 1 room. People lived together in a big kitchen. They cooked, ate, played, and slept there. Places to shop. I like going to the shopping mall. It has many kinds of stores. You can find almost anything there. I like the clothing stores and the toy stores. In my community long ago, people shopped at a general store. They took things such as eggs to the store and traded them for other things, such as cloth or dishes. Places to learn. I go to a big school. It has many classrooms and teachers. My teacher teaches my class. At school, I write my schoolwork on paper with a pencil. My community long ago had 1 classroom and 1 teacher. It was a 1-room school. Children did their schoolwork on slates. Fun at school. How do you have fun at school? What games do you play at recess? Do you play any of the recess games that these children played long ago? Ring toss? Skipping games? Clapping games? Leapfrog? Dodgeball? Growing food. Farmers are people who grow food. Trucks bring the food to my community. We buy the food at a supermarket. In my community long ago, most people grew their own food. Schools grew vegetable gardens too. Many people in my community today have vegetable gardens. Do you have a vegetable garden at your home or at your school? Clothes. I have a lot of clothes. I wear different clothes every day. On special days, I like to dress in my best clothes. Most children long ago had only 2 outfits. They wore one every day and the other one on Sundays. Boys wore short pants, shirts, and straw hats every day. Girls wore dresses and aprons. Aprons kept their dresses clean. Sunday clothes. Working together. People in my community work at jobs. They are paid money for the work they do. They buy the things they need with money. This family has just bought a home. In my community long ago, people helped one another build homes and do other big jobs. After working together, people ate, danced, played games, and had a lot of fun. The work parties of long ago were called bees. Travel then and now. In my community today, people travel by car, subway, plane, and bus. My friends and I traveled to school in a school bus. In my community long ago, there were no buses, cars, subways, or planes. People walked or traveled in wagons, pulled by horses. In winter, horses pulled sleighs. No machines. Name all the machines you know that help people do their work. My community long ago had no machines to help them. People made their clothes and furniture by hand. There were no washers or dryers. People washed their clothes by hand and dried them in the sun.